did not realize that my hotel is right around the corner from Indiana University. Like, that's wild. Made it to Indianapolis. Ooh, I really like the Indianapolis airport. Okay, I just got into my hotel. My stuff is over here. This is like literally my first walkthrough. Of course, I saw everything when I first came in, but I was like, hey, let's do a quick tour. So you walk in, right? Hardwood floor or something like it. To the right is your kitchenette area. I love Hilton chains because they have microwaves. Typically they have microwaves. And I feel like there's only been one that did not have it. And I could be mistaken that for another hotel chain. But anyway, the full length mirror is here, right? And I do have to work, so I will be writing and editing. My desk is here. And then of course, the 2 queen beds. I always get queen beds or 2 beds because I like to put my things on one bed, like my clothing. I lay my clothing out and then I sleep on one, of course. Couch and chair, window, and what? I am a gold member. Did I know that? I don't know that I knew that. So that's nice. That just happened. Huh. And the ensuite. Nice. Little marble or marble adjacent. Okay. I'm imagining this is going to be where I can hang up the things. Yeah. Cool. Hilton, it really does depend on which location you go to. Whatever Hilton chain like you are a fan of, it really does depend on location. This is pretty nice. Here I am in all black again. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. So yes, the flight was fair. It's a little bumpy, but the weather is good outside. So I'm gonna take a walk before I come back and do some work. I just left the hotel and walked around the corner, and this is what I see. Apparently they're like, you can take a okay, that was loud. Apparently you can take a canal ride. That is so cool. It's so pretty. Okay, Indiana. I don't know what other city this feels like. It feels like a little bit of Chicago, maybe. But Chicago is more building-y. Like, it has more buildings. It feels more city-like. Maybe when I get downtown a little bit closer, it may remind me more of Chicago, but that's the city that's coming to mind. But also Minnesota. I feel like everything reminds me of Chicago and Minnesota, especially in the Midwest. What other city or state did I visit? City and state did I visit where I'm like, oh, this is giving me very much so Chicago. Or maybe, is that my favorite point of reference? That could be it too. So anyway, let's keep walking. I don't know what this is, but it is so cool. Okay, so for anybody who's keeping up with my diet, I am vegan adjacent now, so I do eat seafood, just no meat, no other meat, and no dairy. So okay, I think I'm going to get the power bowl. So the grilled salmon, shrimp, mahi-mahi, brown rice, salad. They can hold the egg, sauteed veggies, and they can hold pumpkin seeds as well, and guacamole. I'm walking back from Snapfish, and look, there are people. You know what? I may try this tomorrow. I do not like water like that, but I may try this tomorrow. Let's see. Guys, I did not realize that my hotel is right around the corner from Indiana University. Like, that's wild. Okay, look what I discovered. I knew it was a kitchenette, but I didn't realize that that is a stove. And this is a full-size refrigerator, or full-ish. It's typically like a mini bar or mini fridge. So that's exciting. I'm gonna put the waters in from, you know, being a gold member or having gold status. If I were wise, I would have done this before I got my fish, so my water can be frozen Maybe I'll put this one in the freezer. But obviously. Okay, we have the side garnishes. Cucumber, pickled onions. I love pickled onions. So that'll be good. Tomato, can't eat the egg. And is that carrot? That may be good as well. And our main course here, I am so hungry. Especially after all of that walking. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, this is Friday, the day after my first full day, my last full day in Indianapolis specifically. I am going to a coffee shop. You've seen this outfit in the vlog where I went to the Waldorf Astoria with my mom. Same outfit, wanted to try something simple and cutesy. So here we are. And yeah, then I'm gonna come back and pack. Hopefully it's not too hot. The weather is great. Okay, see you guys later. So this is very interesting. My hotel is here, and then when you walk out, so beautiful outside. But when you walk out, I see this sign, I guess, that says Bethel African Methodist Episcopal Church, AME Church, as we all know, African Methodist Episcopal, it's AME. It traces its origins to founding of Free African Society in Philadelphia, which I knew about. 1787, but I wonder, like, why is this here? Oh. So Augustus Turner, if I just would have kept reading, I would have figured it out. A barber and other black settlers organized this Indianapolis congregation to worship freely and support their community. Trustees bought land 1840 on Georgia Street for its first church. Is this the land? If so, wow. Huh. That is very, very cool. Okay, I'm lost. I'm heading to the coffee shop. Can I go this way? Okay, let me focus on my map. And I don't think I can do that and record at the same time. I came across the Indiana War Memorials, Veterans Memorial Plaza. Looks very nice and clean and fun for kids. And then right across is the Indiana World War Memorial Building, I suppose. So it looks like I'm in the heart of downtown. The coffee shop is about 10 minutes away. And I'm enjoying the scenery. I love walkable cities, so I'm having a good walk. Okay, I found the coffee shop that I want to try, Coach at Coffee. It's like I wonder if this is a food hall. It's like an old theater. I'm interested. It's inside of, I don't know what this is, but it's so cool. And then you walk up the steps. And then I believe this is it right here. So we walk in, and then it's like in here. Okay, I just spent around, never mind the fact that I'm in the restroom. It's clean and no one is in here, but I spent around 3 hours doing some work, catching up on some work, my 9-to-5 work. Here's my airport outfit, heading out, leaving the hotel now. I'm in the hotel restroom. I have about an hour to catch my flight, but we're going to make it, okay? I'm going back home, guys. Thank you for watching the vlog. Hope you are enjoying my travel vlogs. These are like weeks of my life or weeks in my life as a doctoral student. Summer edition because I'm in summer school. So yes, it's also my birthday month. So yay. Okay, let me go. Bye guys, until the next vlog.